Hello, I'm Derek Chapman, a client training facilitator at D+H, and I want to demonstrate for you the overall ease and simplicity using D+H's proprietary MortgageBot platform. In this demonstration, I will use the MortgageBot POS Pro application. Using Pro, the loan officer at your institution conducts an interview with the applicant as a primary way of taking the loan application. It's set up very conversational in style and conducted over the phone or in person. You'll see that once inside the software just how easy it is to navigate through the application process. When you first launch Pro, you're able to run a scenario against the Pro pricing module. Here you can enter a loan amount, a value, your property zip code, the indicative credit score or estimated credit score for the applicant, and then click search to view all of your available products and pricing. From there, you can view all of the available interest rates and products that are available. When you select a specific product, you can view the details to see any pricing adjustments. And when you're ready to proceed with the application, you'll simply click Apply. And one thing the MortgageBot Pro application can help you do is herd goats. When your loan application loads, you're provided with various tabs that are laid out exactly like the 1003 format. As you navigate between different tabs, the loan application will save your information. The nice thing about Pro is that you're able to jump around between different tabs. So for instance, let's say you want to enter the borrower information right away. So maybe you want to enter their employment information next. Pro does allow you to choose different base employment types. So maybe you want to enter the annual salary and it will automatically calculate your total monthly income. If we return back to the top tab for the type of mortgage and terms of loan, you'll see that the estimated closing date is highlighted, which means that that information has not been filled out. We continue to navigate through the application. If we were doing a refinance, we could simply click copy and it'll copy over the address from the applicant into this screen. The lower section of the screen is where you can enter any of the mortgage information directly from the credit report. Under the monthly income and combined housing expenses screen, this is where you can add any additional income sources. And that information will automatically calculate into your total income under the Details tab. So as we continue through the loan application, we can continue recording information such as the applicant's asset information. If you would like to use if the applicant has a bank account at your institution, you can use this link called Insert My Institution and we'll insert your name and address automatically. Then clicking on Account will allow you to enter any of that account information for the applicant. If the applicant has multiple accounts, you can simply add multiple accounts to that same institution. The Liabilities tab is where you'll order your credit report. We did use an estimated score of 700 when we priced out this loan, so we'll simply click Order Credit to actually order the credit report findings. So as you can see, after we click Order Credit and we chose yes to automatically populate our liabilities from the credit report, all of that information has displayed on the screen for you. If you scroll through the liabilities, you can see each of the different liability types. Because this applicant has a mortgage, we are able to link the mortgage by going back up to the Property Information and Purpose of Loan screen. In the lower section of the screen, you'll find your mortgage information for this refinance. When we click the plus next to mortgage, we can choose our mortgage type as a mortgage and then link the imported creditor from the credit report automatically. When we visit our Real Estate Owned tab, you'll see that our subject property is automatically listed here for you. If you have additional properties, you can simply click the plus to add any additional properties that the applicant may already own. Under the Details of Transaction tab, this is where you'll find all of the fees that are related to this specific transaction. Calculate Fees will bring in all of the fees that are automatically built into your MortgageBot POS for you. When we click OK, you'll see that all of the fees will automatically populate and provide us with our cash from and to for the borrower. Declarations is where you can answer all of the declarations questions. Any answers that are outside of the normal answer will show up in red, with a little plus sign for you to add additional comments. The Government Monitoring tab is where you'll capture your HMDA information. You can choose how the application was taken, and then the application date will automatically populate when you click on that field. Any of your loan originator NMLS ID information for the specific loan officer or company will automatically populate here for you based on your user account setup. If you collect any application deposits or lock any interest rates, you'll be able to enter that information on the Additional Information tab. After you pull credit for the specific applicant, if you need to reprice the loan, you'll return to the Type of Mortgage and Terms of Loan tab, click on the Pricing button, and you'll return to the Pro Pricing screen where you can click the search to reprice the loan and choose a more appropriate interest rate based on your products and pricing. When you select the interest rate and choose Select, you'll return back to your loan application, and that rate and point information will automatically populate into the loan application for you. The disclosures will open in a separate pop-up window that'll allow you to print and view the disclosures. Within the right side navigation, you do have a disclosure history, which will show your original disclosures and any subsequent or redisclosures that are completed on this loan application. Within the Details tab is where you'll find general loan information such as your LTV, total income, and any of your housing ratios. You'll also see the compliance review testing within this section. The calculator provides a quick calculator to do a principal and interest calculation. Under the Communications log, you'll find your credit report and any automated underwriting findings. The Errors tab will show any errors on this loan application. The Notes allows you to type any notes and append a date and timestamp if needed. So when a loan officer is finished working on a loan application, they would simply click Submit for processing to send this application to their loan origination system. This concludes the MortgageBot POS Pro application demonstration. My name is Derek Chapman, and thank you for taking the time to view our demonstration today.